So if you're a musician in Zimbabwe, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. The National Arts Council of Zimbabwe has a music strategy that has 10 pillars that you can adopt into your own personal plan. And I'm just going to walk you through it so you can see how you can do that for yourself. The first pillar, music markets and business development, right? So first start by identifying what your target audience is. How can you tap into them and how can you build that audience so that it can make revenue for yourself? Secondly, intellectual property. Make sure you protect your creativity. Learn about copyright laws and ensure that your music is registered. This safeguards your rights and ensures that you are compensated for your work. Number three, funding, financing, and investment. Seek out grants and investors who believe in your vision. Create strong proposals that highlight the unique aspects of your music. And funding models can look different for different people. Funding models can look like a group of friends putting together resources for you to run with your project. Funding models can look like you getting a job in order to fund the vision that you have for your creative project. So let's look more and delve into that and see how we can grow ourselves in that area. The fourth pillar, education, capacity building, and training. Pursue ongoing education in music. And music has different facets that you can get yourself involved into. Pursue ongoing education, and I said attend workshops and enhance your skills and learn best practices in the industry. The fifth pillar is music infrastructure, and this is a personal favorite of mine. Advocate for better facilities. Now, this can be rehearsal spaces, this could be performance venues, and let's support initiatives that enhance the local music infrastructure. And I'm also big on how can we reinvent the current spaces that we have to make sure that they're functional and to make sure that they have relevant programming. The sixth pillar is music sector statistics and research. A lot of our programs don't get the attention that they need because we don't have the numbers or we don't have the numbers on paper. And this is an avenue that I think we need to get deep into as creatives. So how can we stay informed about the music industry trends? How can we utilize available research to understand our market better so that we can make data-driven decisions, right? The seventh pillar is media information and communication technologies. Let's leverage the technology and social media platforms and promote our music. Let's engage with our audiences and create content that resonates with them. The eighth pillar is music diplomacy and global business. Let's explore opportunities for international collaborations. Let's engage in cross-cultural exchanges to broaden our musical horizons and our global reach. And one of these such projects that I've been privileged to be part of is something like the One Beat Music Diplomacy Program or the Academy of Women Entrepreneurs. And there's so many of these that you can get involved in on a global level that can catapult your career. The ninth pillar is music governance. We need to get involved in local music governance. Let's advocate for policies that support artists and contribute to the development of the music sector. And the last pillar is safeguarding cultural heritage, identity, and celebrating diversity. We need to embrace our cultural roots if we want to stand out as Zimbabwean artists in the creative economy. So let's celebrate our diversity through our art and let's use our platforms to educate others about Zimbabwe's rich heritage.